$34 laundry day, a full bag. I'm going to stuff this all over. I'm going to stuff this. I just have to sort out all the laundry I have in my laundry bag because I just stuff it in my own laundry bag. But we have to fill in the counting form so that we know how many pieces of each. But so just grab there, try to put it as tight as possible, and then fit in the laundry bag. It's quite nice to have this promotion of the $34 for the full bag of the laundry bag. And it's good, you know, for basically underwear, socks, and t-shirts that I use frequently. I was looking at just to have a pair of socks. It's $1.95 for the washing. I must confess, just before boarding, because it was a 2 weeks cruise, I bought a pack of 12 pairs of socks at Target for $15. So you might as well buy the socks and throw them away for these prices of washing. So, but now I'm going to reuse, rewash, and be friendly. And now, time to stuff the laundry bag. Yeah, let's go for it. Yeah. You respect? I still have some space left. Should I put something else? By the way, let me into a small detail or secret of my channel is I always try to wear the black shirts because of continuation. Sometimes most of the scenes we need to film in 2 or 3 or 4 days. When I'm editing, I see like, oh my God, this sucks. I have to go and do a retake. And you never know oh my God, I need to do a retake, and you never know what the clothes are that you were using that day. So basically, with always a black t-shirt, I know I'm always in the same clothes for doing a continuation of the scenes. A place where you might notice some difference is the beard, if the beard is done or not. So I do try to make the beard as often as possible to do the shaving. So one thing I do try is to do the shaving of the beard as often as possible so that it doesn't feel very weird, the videos that we're doing. But so cool, isn't it? This is YouTuber content creator problem. So I've got my laundry bag ready to use this promotion. I do hope you enjoy this quick information, and they always do this on any sailing. I've followed some Facebook groups that on previous sales they were exactly mentioning that they had done this. So just be patient, wait for it. It justifies the wait to get the laundry bag for $34. I'm waiting. And waiting. Well, 2 days, I think it should arrive by now. Yeah, it is. We got it! Finally! Yeah! Here it comes. I hope you enjoyed the small tip and the videos I'm creating. Do subscribe. It is very important for me at this moment in time. Thanks a lot. Thanks a ton. Other videos on Norwegian Joy.